Welcome to another Titan widget video. In this video I'll show you how to set up responsive layouts in Widget Builder. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create a new view, and we'll give this one row and two columns. We'll call this contact and account. Let's go ahead and create this. So these are my two grid columns. I'm going to go ahead and insert a widget in each one here right now. So let's see if I have any available. I do. And then one more here. And then we'll call this one account. Okay, so once you've got these and you want to set up responsive layouts for each one of them, you need to click on top here and you can refine them. So you can choose desktop. This is how it's going to look like in tablet. This is how it's going to look like in mobile, and this is how it's going to look like in mini. Alright, so cool functionality. And then you can also preview this by clicking on the preview option, and it will show you what it looked like if it's previewed. Like this. Now, obviously there are sometimes you want to adjust the layout for these, so there are a few options available here on the right hand side. Some of them are style, max width. These are pretty self-explanatory. The one I want to talk about is Flexbox. And what you can do is you can adjust how much this will shrink when you view them on different layouts. So let's say this one, I want this to shrink by, let's say 80. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. But if I do 100, it'll look like this. 30, it will look tiny. So let's do in percentages for now. Let's do 20%. It looks like this. 50, it will look like this. So now if I save this, let's go ahead and publish. So this is the desktop view, but if I inspect, and we're going to look at the tablet view now, if I choose iPad Pro, or actually the iPad, you can see like this is how the Flexbox has reduced the percentages when you view it on tablet. And you can do the same here as well. So you can click on this, go to style, go Flexbox. You can choose how much you want it to grow, how much you want it to shrink. You can also choose like here, so you can say 80%. And then this is how you do it. You can also set up the order as well. So like this will be 1, this will be 2, and now it's moved up and down like that. So tons of different options available. And you can do that for any view here. For mobile, you can do the same. You can say for for actually mobile, I want the Flexbox to be 80, just like the one below. Alright, so you can have it like this and then save. And then if you preview, you can see this is what it looks like. But it looks a bit messy, so we kind of want to do a bit more here. So we'll do 100. And then we'll do 100 here as well in the Flexbox side of things. Let's choose that percentage. Let's move this 100. And then if you save this right now and then refresh over here, and then now choose, let's say, pixel, and then this is what it looks like. Alright, so that's how you do it. That's how you set up different layouts for each of the views. And then also this is how you preview them. And then if you want to change how much the flexibility in terms of how much they grow per device, then you can do that as well by clicking on each grid column as well.